annual chicken parade. Each year, the farm raises a flock of laying hens to coincide with its backyard chicken educational classes. At the end of the season, when the hens are grown, they are placed with another area farm to begin their egg-laying careers. Kids and adults who would like to take part in the parade, please meet us now at the garden shed near the chicken coop to learn the chicken song and become a chicken parader. If you're unfamiliar where that is, it is right behind us. All right, hope to see you here.
Welcome to Strong Family Farm. This is the very important part of the cart.
Chicken, when you're done, come back over here, we're going to do the chicken dance, all right? Strong family farm. What a good looking one. I need you to come closer. I need to volunteer who knows how to do it. Who do I got? Come on.
Oh, yeah.
Who's my volunteer? Who knows how? I need wings, beaks, wiggles. Come on up. I need a one volunteer to show the little ones how to do the chicken dance.
You gonna come up?
Who do I got? I got any volunteers here? Do I have any volunteers from the farm that could come help me? You go, look at me. Wings, wiggle, yeah, clap. 1, 2, 3. Who else we got? We got a good chicken dance. You got that? Come on up. Come on up. All right. All right, chicken. You ready? You don't know how to do the chicken dance. We're in big trouble. I'll tell you. So let's practice. Come. We got beak, wings, wiggle, and clap. 1, 2, 3. And we need the clapping from everybody back there. If you don't clap, I have video of you at Uncle Louie's wedding. I'm going to put it on Facebook. So. All right, chickens, are you ready? Assume the beak position. Come on. Come on up here, chickens. Swing your partner.
Throughout the season, Strong Family Farm has been lucky enough to have found magnificent individuals and businesses dedicated to supporting the farm's mission of bringing unique individual and family educational and agricultural experiences to the community while preserving our local farm history in the process. These sponsors make it possible for us to offer as many free activities throughout the year, like this festival, and to continue to educate and entertain children of all ages. We wholeheartedly thank all of our sponsors. And I just want to remind you guys, we have a lot of fun stuff going on this side of the barn, but don't forget to check out all of our fun things on the other side too. I'll hand it back now.
So the Backyard Chicken Program is something that my mom started, I think, 11 years ago, because we had chickens of our own, and we would go to the farmer's market and we would sell like chicken meat and stuff and eggs. And then this mom came up and we brought chickens with us one time, and the little boy went to go pet the chicken, and the mom was like, "No, don't touch him, you'll get chicken pox." And my mom's like, "No, that's not correct at all." So she started the program to teach families about where their food came from and, you know, more about chickens, because there's just a lot of misconceptions going around. So we get baby chicks in the spring when class starts, and then as they grow up, we do more classes. We teach about, you know, what am I trying to say? Like
how to hold them.
Yeah, how to handle them, how to hold them, what food is good for them, what food's not good for them. Some of them are really strange. I think, I could be wrong, I'm gonna have to fact check this, but I'm pretty sure they can't have potatoes. But yeah, there's a bunch of food that we can have that they can't have.
Like frozen corn and stuff.
Yeah, a couple years ago we had big sunflowers in the field. We would cut them down like at the very bottom, and we put them like through the rod so they could have like a little thing to sit on, and then they'd eat all of the seeds. They loved it. Yeah.
There's a lot of them.
Yeah, we have
this year.
25, I think. We usually get about 25 each year. Yeah. And then we teach like how chickens survive in the wild, what kind of predators to look out for. You're fine. Relax.
Good girl.
Yeah.
Good girl.
Okay. Nice.
Do these chickens have names?
I think some of the kids named them. Don't remember what they are though. Yeah. The only one I ever named was one of the lavender Orpingtons we had a couple years ago. We named her Blueberry. She was so sweet. Once the chickens start laying eggs, we'll have the kids come in and, you know, take a few home.
Aww.
Yeah, and they get, especially like the first couple weeks, we get some really weird eggs because they're still trying to learn how to lay eggs. We get like weird spots, different sizes. Some will have like soft spots.
Oh, wow. So
Yeah.
you really learn about the whole egg laying.
Yeah, there's so many things. Yeah.
We'll be starting our winter market November 8th, and it'll be every other week. We also do a lot of upcycling products with fabric and beads. I like to do pottery and I just love using local products to remake into my products. So just come on down and see us. And thanks for Strong Family Farm for having us here. This is a beautiful place and wonderful people.
products. Bowls, hybrid bowls, little tea lamps and stuff. But most of my wood is all local. So what the neighbors give me. Midnight raids on neighbors' wood piles. But yeah, it's just something I play with. I've been doing it for about 9 years. I've been doing it for 9 years. I taught myself. Yep, I taught myself, and there's always something always comes up different. Learning all the time. I'm learning all the time. So, yeah. Well, I've been accused of being an artist. In 1876, the towns were giving a charter oak seedling. In 1876, and they also called it a century oak, because in 1876, the country was 100 years old. So the town planted it in 1876, and it succumbed, a few years ago, it succumbed to a caterpillar infestation, and it killed it. So, but anyways, this tree was 100 years old over 100 years old when they finally had to cut it down. Yeah. So, and when you get into school, further into school, you're going to understand what the charter oak meant. In history class. Just remember that when you're in history class, ask your teacher what the charter oak means.
Hi, good morning. My name is Lauren Nagel, and I am an advocate with Green Compass Global. We are a botanical wellness company that brings you everything healthy from the hemp plant. So we've got broad spectrum, full spectrum CBD products. We've got our newest fun drink, these 6 seltzers, THC seltzers. And we can help with stress, sleep, pain, inflammation, mood, all the things to make you the best version of yourself. So you can follow me on Instagram at Lauren B. Nagel, and I look forward to seeing you there.
because she had sensitive skin and got tired of using the plain white Dove bar. So she used her art degree, and we now have many items. We have bath bombs, soaps, shower steamers, mystery grab bags, shampoo bars, shave bars, and then she has all her tub toys too. She's been in business for 9 years now. Anytime anybody has a special request, she's very happy to fill that. So, have a look.
just to, you know, help educate and be a resource for people and bring some fun games and spinny wheels for prizes.
No, we have rabbits that where you can have your own bed.
Good.
Yeah.
And what do you teach? Do you teach anything with the rabbits?
We help you learn to care for them and learn to show them at the 4-H fair and in front of a judge and knowledge about them. This is my rabbit Cookie Dough. She's been showing for 2 years. You can also learn how to show your guinea pig. Also, you can show them at the 4-H fair. We have 2 guinea pig kids that show. This one's Bilbo.
How old is he?
4. Yeah. You can find us on the Strong Family Farm website.
We've got puppies, we've got piggies, we've got goats, we've got alpacas, we've got bunnies. We got Allie the lamb. So we're gonna be here until 3 o'clock today. And there are a ton of vendors, food trucks, all kinds of events for the kids, live music. It's a great place to come. It's a great event. So hope to see you all. Have a great day.